We found biodegradable detergent and spray that's made in the USA to freshen up workout wear and help keep it in shape longer too. Stretch maintains the life of workout clothes and keeps elasticity in check while removing things like sweat, oil, dirt, or even chlorine. You might not know that most detergents don't completely rinse out of clothing fibers when they go through the wash. This can cause elasticity, texture, and even colors to break down. The plant-based ingredients in Stretch completely rinse out, and the formula is hypoallergenic and free of phosphates, bleach, and dyes. Unlike some other deodorizing sprays that cover up odors, Stretch's freshening spray eliminates them by breaking down bacteria on clothing. It's a great way to get multiple wears in between washes. If you invest in your workout gear or have a favorite go-to piece, you want it to last as long as possible, and Stretch helps it to look and smell good.